Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Oh wow! Hey Chip, thanks for the restream. Hey everyone from Chip's channel. How's everyone doing today? Boomtings indeed. You have my attention. Stop spamming next morning. Oh yeah, I need to adjust all that Nightbot stuff. It's not very good when there's a lot of emotes or capital letters being spammed. Cheers, Chips. So how has everyone been this morning? How well did Chip do on the stream today? And welcome to the stream. For those who have just joined, we are... Oh, thanks for the subscription, Chip. We are building an online collaboration tool for comic creators, or just, but it can be used for other things as well. He did good, mate. Did he cash out on big? I saw the other one the other week. What was it, like 20,000? Bloody lucky guy. Oh, he's gift 10 subs. Oh my god, Chips, you're mental. Thank you very much. Wow, Chip. Yeah, you're an amazing guy, Chip. Always a great supporter of the charity. So thanks, Chips, as always, for being awesome. And welcome to all the new followers that are joining. Wow, what day is it? I don't even know what day it is. Thursday? Oh god, it's Thursday. Wow, nice, Chip, sharing the love. Yeah, Bobby really is. So I've just jumped on today for a few hours to do some more dev work on my collaboration tool. I'm also designing a new website for Chip. Let me bring that up actually. So thanks, Bobby, really appreciate it. So when I'm not doing my own work, I'm also a full-time Scrum Master, but I'm on furlough at the moment. So I'm also designing the website for Chip. Over this week we've been putting all the new style in place. So we've got this cool new logo. Hope you'll enjoy it. Tried to go a bit fun here with their faces from the stream. We've also gone for these new style of the offers on the page, which you can see all of them now are in this new style. I need to fix this little thing at the bottom, so I'll do that after stream. But then I'm going to start working on making these headers look more in line with this stuff here. And one of the other things is I really want to play around with what the reviews look like for the new offers. So obviously Casino Planet is the new one, and this is how it kind of looks with the new style at the moment, but still trying to think of how to make this look snazzy and new. But it's going well. Obviously any ideas on that site is always welcome. So cheers, Bowie, I really appreciate it. Cheers, Alkawar, really appreciate it. Thanks, Joe. Yeah, it's always a work in progress, especially when Chip just rings you at the middle of the night and goes, we want to redesign the whole site, let's go nuts. Which he's done 3 times. This is the 3rd time he's told me to do it now. So he likes to keep it fresh every year, I think, or every 6 months or something. So yeah, if you guys ever have any ideas about this, always just hit me up. Yeah, sounds about right, Bobby. So I'll show you, if anyone's actually interested, coming from Chip stream. I know I don't stream slots, although I'd love to, but I ain't got no monies. So I'm building this collaboration tool, and essentially what it is, it allows you to create projects. If you're used to any project management system, it's just a project, and then projects have tasks, currently scripts, artwork. So tasks are pretty simple. You can create tasks to add, so hello, it'll create this task, and you can drag those tasks along the status of where they are, and then you can update the columns and stuff like that to be things you want. Like you could change script to be done's there, so you'd move that to there. You have scripts, so this is something that's still brand new. New script. The idea is you can create a script and then just start writing a title and then just start writing your script out, and then people can view that script. You can add new pages. Hey, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the stream and stuff like that. So yeah, that's essentially how that works. That needs to be expanded. Been working on this for about 6 weeks now, so it's going well. Always looking for people to give it a try, so if you want to feel like having a go, you can try the dev version here. Should have a gallery of big wins. So I was thinking about this. That's something I definitely want to do, because obviously on Chip's homepage we do have these kind of couple of big wins here, but this is old. I haven't updated that in a long time. But the other thing I want to do as well is he has a Twitch page here, which when you click on just shows about the stream, and it has a few things. Need to remove that actually. Put that on my list of things to do. But yeah, I want to make this more engaging, so I'm going to try and think of some designs and some phrases. So actually what would be quite good is if there's, for you guys that watch the stream a lot, if there is like phrases and stuff like that that Chip says quite often in the stream, what I want to do is use their heads and have some kind of speech bubbles coming out of them with like some phrases and stuff. This will show his live Twitch when he's online. But yeah, I think having some big wins on here would be really great. Putting them up there, I need to update them really. George, nice Chip, decent. So yeah, if you want to contribute to that, this is my personal Twitter. If you jump over to this Twitter and just DM me, tweet at me, whatever, some of the phrases and stuff, I will try and include them when I redesign this page. But again, like, you guys are you guys watch Chip all the time, so, and understanding why you guys watch things like that is something I need to understand for building out the site, and what information you like access to the quickest, things like that. So the other things we have on this page are artwork. So you can upload new artwork. So for example, let's just upload the new Chip logo. You upload that. And then what this allows, so say you're working on artwork, or even if I was building Chip's website, right, I could upload some of this artwork. I could give him a login link and he could just leave me messages. So, hey dude, love this, can you change it to orange, for example. It's just taking slow because it's the dev server, but then he could just leave comments, and then I could come in and have a look at those comments and make adjustments, things like that. Then there's an overall team one, so again you can do a big team chat, and then just the settings to allow you to invite people to your projects and delete your project, stuff like that. So today we're just trying to figure out what we want to work on. So, oh, pardon me. On the back, we have this public board that people submit bugs and ideas to, and then I try and take a look at this on stream. I try and do all the boring stuff off stream, and then try and pick bugs and stuff like that to do while people are watching. So today I'm just going to have a quick read through some of this and see what people might want to have a look at. might want to do story overview page, enable a storyboard overview for a project. So that's an interesting one. So someone suggested that if you're working on scripts, you might want to have a storyboard overview, which is just a list of cards that you can drag around, which I really like the idea of. So I might think of it. So that would be part of a script. So if you were to click on a script, for example, you might want this overview to be a button up here, which would change this editor into a load of boxes essentially. So I think that's something I really want to think about. So let's have a look at this one. So want to become famous, buy viewers, primes and viewers on adviewers.com. I'd never do that. What is the point of doing that? Cool, so let's have a look at this. Hopefully people following are interested in this kind of stuff. As I said, I know it's a big difference from what Chip normally does. That's a bot, delete it. Right, I need to work out how to do that. Streamlabs.com. I think I do it for my Streamlabs, right? Click his name and ban him. Ah, okay. Ban Bobby. Oh shit, wrong one. How do I unban someone? No, I delete the wrong one. Ah. Right, hold on, I need to get into this. 2 seconds. Ah, fucked up. This is what happens. You never really get people in your stream, and then as soon as you get people in, I'm sure Bobby will forgive me. I am a bot, Tom. Little heroes. So log into that. Let's figure out how to undo what I just did. Recent events. Not sure how to undo that. Does anyone know? Unblock. Twitch. Unblock. So Twitch. Do I have to do it from my actual twitch.tv thing? Then channel. God, I don't know how to do this. Can I do like unban? Ah, that's how I can do it. Bobby. Mike, okay. There we go. Thought I'd figure it out. Sorry, Bobby. Right, who was I trying to ban? Oh, this guy. Okay. Ban this guy. There we go. Whoop! Figuring it out. Tony Esmond. 1. I am a bot, Tom. You're a bottom, are you? Okay, what was I thinking before that? Oh yeah, so we want to do like an overview page, right? We only went to ban the living legend that is Bobby. Sorry, Bobby. Okay, so let's open up the code. So script editor. So what I'm thinking is that we need to do a new component that would be a script overview. A script planner, I guess, would be a good one, wouldn't it? My first band took my virginity. sorry about that. I really don't know. Like even the bot thing is like auto modded, so I don't even know what the settings are on that. And I was on it the other day, and someone was just trying to do some capital letters of excitement and just got banned. In the end, I just modded him. So what I'm going to do first is essentially I have this script editor page. So this is this part here that you're seeing. So all of these pages, how this page works, everything like that. And what I'm going to do is another component to this. So what I want to do is I want to do script planner. So I want to do a script planner, okay? And it will break in a moment because it's not actually built. So if I was to refresh that, cool. So what's everyone up to today? How many people are actually at work and how many people have been furloughed at the moment? Furloughing is crap, but gives you a lot of time. Like I've been spending so much time decorating kitchen, hallways, everything. Yeah. Currently watching that work. Oh, you rebel. Now just staying home. Good, just staying at home. We only really go out to get food and go for a walk. We went for a walk the other day, and well, yesterday my fiance took me for a walk, and it was literally 2 hours. But I think in that time we saw about 4, maybe 5 people. Because luckily where we live we can see a great list of. Not just yeah, we see. Got a load of access to a load of fields and walks and stuff, so it's really nice. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just building out a container for this script planner. So this is essentially importing the script planner and then assigning a script planner to this. I saw a hedgehog today. Oh, I love hedgehogs. I saved a hedgehog once. We when I was with my ex, oh god, how long ago was this? About a decade ago. She came home with one, and she found it in the road. It had like just got lost or something. So and it was weak. It weren't moving. So we ended up giving it milk. Called into the what you call it? Like the vet type people. So if I move this script planner out into its own span, essentially, I have to go make tech effects for the what you guys do. Cheers, Bobby. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for everything. Sorry for blocking you. You're a hero to the hedgehogs. I try my best. So this is span equals 21. So what I'm thinking is this should be in here. And then, so we've got the script planner here, and you'll see that that appears at the top there, which is good. But what we need is that only to show when you click on a certain button. So essentially what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do div does this have a style? Yeah, it has a class chapter. Cool. And then call this overview. Call it planner actually. Planner is a good word, isn't it? And as you can see, there's this new button called planner. Now what we want to do is toggle the planner. Okay, so need to do a toggle planner. Planner is visible. Is visible. False. And then what we do is we actually provide that on this statement here. So v show planner is visible, and then this one will be v show if planner is not visible. So okay, so now you can see it's like not there anymore. But what I want to do is when you click this planner button, I want it to show. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do click equals show planner. And then I need to go down here and make show planner. And then that will change this dot planner is visible equals true. And then if I do this again, click planner, see now it's changed it. Then what I want is when you click back onto a page, which is what is move to a specific page. So the first thing it needs to do is obviously do this dot planner is visible equals false, because you're now clicking a page. So no planner, planner, page 1, page 2, page 1, planner. There we go. So that's now showing a planner. But what I want the planner to do is actually have a card. Do we want it to be cards? No. I think what we want to do is actually allow you to have L row and then L column. Then L column, and then we'll give this a span of like 4. 24 divided by 6, 12. Do 4 for now, and then we'll give it a card design, and then I just want this to be like, what is it? Is it L card? Let's just do title description. Okay, so now it's got a card, as you can see. We should probably gutter this to be like a 10. That will give it a padding between the columns, cards, for example, as you can see. Cool. So then that allows you to do that. But why is that L row? That's cool. So essentially now you've got this planner tickets. Yeah. Next thing to do is add a title sequence section, like a title bar. Luckily we kind of already have that kind of stuff, so I can just take this, can add this in here, do it under here, put everything in a div because you have to. And then what I want to do this is script planner, and then add new, and then I want another button that is save. That now looks like that, but I don't want that to be blue. I want that to be, let's try CCC. Cool, that's fine for now. Again, I don't need a save button actually, because there's a save button up there, so let's get rid of that. So new ticket. So the question I have, I guess, is you're planning out, do you want this to be overviews of each page? That's my question. Or whether it's like just general prompts that you can assign pages to. Because one thing we don't have at the moment is page reordering, which I want to do at some point. Which is a point I don't actually have it on here as an issue. So script page reordering. We need the ability to reorder script pages. So I'll add that. But the planner's kind of there now. We just need to hook it up to date. Got to pay the bills, the pole isn't going to dance on its own. Ciao. Yeah, see you later, Tony. Have a good day, and I'll catch up with you soon. Thanks for stopping by. Okay. Let's ask a friend. Hey pal, I am implementing the script planner view on Twitch right now, and I have a question. Do you think the overview should be tied to pages, or allow pages to be assigned to an overview? So I've asked him a question, see what he comes back with. Might be interesting. Thanks for everyone that's still sticking around from Chip. Hope you're all having a great day. For anyone that's just joined, we're currently working on a script planning tool. Yeah, so as you can see, next thing to do is just kind of hook that out to some artificial data for now, right? So on a script, I don't know if we have this defined. We do have it defined. We need to add a new bit of information, which is this dot, let's call it planner equals, and then this again should just be like a list of an object of title. This is a title, test title, description. This is a test description. Yeah, and then maybe we just do page and then give it 1, right? Give it 1, so that it is like associated with something. And then now if I go back here, go to scripts, add a new script, test2, confirm that, edit that. nothing there yet, because now what I need to do is I need to go back to the planner. I want to do a prop. Do I want to passing a prop? I want to get the current script. So let's go scripts. No, I want to do script dot. No, it's fine. Let's do a prop. Let's pass in current script. Cards equals current script dot. What did we save it as? Planner. Okay, fine. That will probably break because it doesn't actually know that. Cool. So my friend just got back to me and said, I think that being able to tie overview to pages, if the overview is comprised of story beats, I guess a page can contain more than one story beat in theory. That's true. So it is good to probably have it as a page association thing. So let's go back here. We need to pass in the prop. So on the, where do we want to pass it? We pass it through on the planner here as cards. So in the planner, we just need to do props and then cards. Fine, and then we need to do a for each on these, which is really simple. You can see here it's just like doing this pretty much. So you just jump on to what you want to repeat. You do your for page index. So this would just be card index in cards, key index title, card dot title, card dot description, and then just for the low, so let's do card dot page, make it readable. What's it moaning about? No, X invalid end tag. So, oh right, yeah, that should be there. So let's have a look at this. More tools.developer tools. Can't evaluate null of null. So this is interesting because what I want to do is if I want to only do this if cards is a thing, right? Don't want to try and load that before it's not actually there. So then let's debug this. There's a console unknown getter scripts.current script title. No, that's not an unknown getter. Shouldn't be anyway. I'll have a look at that in a minute. Then we have, let's just make sure that this actually got built with that new data. So which it didn't. And that's annoying. That means it's not actually using that. Script, store module. Let's see where it creates a new script. Create new script. New script equals script. Console.log script. I wonder if it's because Yeah, we need to clean up the script page at some point, so let's add a new issue. Only get scripts when needed. So currently at the moment we get all scripts. Currently we get all scripts data leading to multiple database reads. We need to only do this when we want to actually get a script. Make a script index like we do with projects, but store it on the project level. Okay, so that didn't actually do that, so that's interesting. Why that's not actually done that when new script is that it should add this.planner. New script, to add new script. So is it actually storing it? Should we have a look? So we go here. How's everyone still doing? Everyone still live? And how's the music? Everyone enjoying the music? Oh fuck, wrong thing. Wrong thing. Does that mean I just broke my database? If I log out of here, log back in. Let's find it. So why is this being weird? Oh, okay, fine, different database. Fuck that up. Okay, so scripts, pages, tile, pages, tile, pages. So I didn't actually use it, which is annoying. Unless it's in the pages. Did I accidentally do it in there? Nope. So why did that not work then? Let's try it again. It should work. Testing 3. Must be doing something somewhere where I'm messing it up. So set current script. Scripts data list. I wonder if it's actually in that part as well. Current script. Set.id.data. Did I not save this? I'm sure I saved this. What is going on here? Ah, I think I know what. New script. Do I have a script thing on function that messes around with it? Don't know if I do actually. No, I haven't made anything for that yet. Everything for the script is still in here at the moment. Remove page from script, clear script, save current script, save script, data, yeah, fine. Let's have a look in the script, DB service. Ah, yeah, I forgot I'm using the converter because this is one of the early things I did. One of the ones that were actually trying to be clever. So, what is it called? What did I call it? Planner. Planner new script dot planner equals data dot planner. So now if I go back here and I go to project dashboard, I go to scripts, create a new script, test 4, continue that, edit this, planner, boom, there we go, it worked. Okay, so you just got to remind yourself that you're using converters. Yeah, so what I'm thinking then is that it should be more than that. Let's just go for 6, which is nice. So now we just need a new script beat, an edit button. Now the good thing is, in this script editor, we already have like modals built that I can just quickly steal. So it's in the page board. Yeah, in page board I have a like new, there's little modals like these, so new ticket modal, which I could just throw in here because you'll never see it. So let's just throw it at the top, create a new, so I'm just going to put like add a new idea and then open new idea dialog, and then this should just be like data I can never remember the exact thing for this. Let's just shorthand it. So open new idea dialog is set to false by default. So if I now load that page, it should still be empty. It's moaning about. Oh, it's because I haven't done all these. So we need a new ticket, new idea details, and that is going to just be this, which will be title, description, and ticket, which will be none as well. Also, I need another prop coming in, which is number of tickets, number of pages, so that you can provide the number of pages. So you can use that in a drop down. So let's have a look. New ticket, new idea, ticket.title, then description, yep, and then we need a drop down as well. So let's just grab the code for that. Drop down. Form. So drop down for forms, or is it just, it is a drop down. Oh, there we go, that's what I want. So I want activity zone, elf select, that's what I want. So in here, so that's the title, that's description, and then I want this in here. And this will be a repeat, so so let's just see that for a second. Let's change that to true just so we can see it. So it's moaning about this. That would be false, and then handle new idea modal close. And that will just be methods, and then just do a quick dirty console.log. This happened, so I can see. So what's it moaning about on here at the moment? Property method form inline is not defining its reference during render. Form inline, did I? Oh, right, okay. This would be new idea details dot page value 0 page 1 scripts, edit script. So it's appearing, but it's not actually showing it. Options of undefined. Where is this options rubbish? Zero. Select a page and associated page. So again, if you're in the chat and you want to play around with this, you can head over to dev.collab.dashboard, and if you can just leave any issues you find here, I would really appreciate it. Now, why is that not showing? Cannot read options if undefined. Okay, fine. Let's just get rid of this page thing for now. I just want to create a new ticket. Oh, that's why it's page. What did I call it on here? Page, yeah. Okay, so if we go back here. Page. Cannot read property title of null. AL form not found. Why do I need EL form? Is that because I'm trying to use a form item? That'd be why. Page. Related page selection. Yep, I'm ready. I know I can see you ready. Why is that saying that? That's really annoying. Script editor. I'm sure that is a... Oh, it's not called that. What's it called? Current script title. Why is that not a thing? State.current script dot title. And then if that is a thing, then return it. Otherwise it's null. Am I providing null or empty? Null these days. Can I read property title? What component is that that's messing up? Current script dot title. Yeah, this should just be current. Current script dot title. So that's current script dot title, which it gets from current script. Current project title. Is that current script title? So this is current project, this is current script title. That'll fix that. maybe. Scripts, script 4. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. But why is that not showing? Ah, because you need to be in that view. Right, that makes a lot of sense. But as you can see, we can do this. Cool. So we're almost there. Oh. Okay. So we need to make sure that this is false, and then we need to make sure that this does this dot. We need to do open new dialog equals true. Perfect. I had a new idea. Brilliant. That's working. That's working. That says this happened. Perfect. Now we just need this page value stuff to do for each. So for each, for v4 So I think what I can do here is do a v4 and then index in what did I call it? It was num pages, and then do key equals index, and then label would just be should actually be this. So that actually, and then in the script editor where I'm passing in cards, I need to put num pages equals current script dot pages dot length. Failed to set plus is not a valid attribute of name. Okay, fine, whatever. Let's just make this equals index. And then scripts. Grab this script, planner, add new, page 1. So if I go back to this, add a new page, add a couple of pages, and go back to planner, add new. Cool. So that's now got a page association with it, which is brilliant. And it does start off with index, so that's good. And then, so now what I shall do is when this happens, I do a console.log this and do new idea details, so we can see that it's actually done that. So add new, select page 2, confirm. I didn't do this. So page 2, confirm. This happened, observer, description, title page. Page 2, edit. Boom! But what is that? Cool. So now all I need to do is, when that happens, I need to emit an event. So this dot open would equal false, and then this dot emit, and just call it added new idea, and then provide this with the this dot new idea details. Then what I can do is on my script editor, I can now listen for that. So I can just do what did I quit? Added new. It's probably good to call these events, right? So that you know exactly what you're doing. So I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, bless me. So now I just need to do another handle, which is like let's just respond data, and then just do this dot current let's just do it the old-fashioned way for a second. This dot current script dot planner dot push data. Actually, do you know what? We don't actually need to do that, because what we can do is that, because we know this is a script planner and it's a new ticket, we can just do, like, we can just add it, right? So we can do something as simple as, in our script store module, we can do an action called add idea to script, and then I'll give this a state and a commit, and then give this data, and then very simply I'll do var current script data equals state dot current script dot local db dot data current script data dot planner dot push and then I can just do data. Was it data I called it? New idea data, and then I can just do commit. Save page data current script data. Boom. And then all we need to do is kind of just this dot store dot dispatch add idea to script, and then just pass it in the data. So this dot new idea details. Now there's no validation on that at the moment, but we'll see what happens. So now if I go here, go back to the scripts, go to script 4, edit this, click planner, click add new, test idea 2. This is a secondary idea. Page 1, confirm. I know actually not add idea to script. Ah, yeah, forgot scripts. Is it scripts or scripts? Can't remember, but we'll find out. Yeah, boom. No, that ain't right, that ain't right, that ain't right. This dot new idea details equals. We set that after. So let's just scripts 4 planner add new testing confirm testing 2 confirm, save that, page 1, go back to scripts, go to that, planner. Cool. So it probably makes a good idea to, when you add a new thing, to save it, right? So there is a button for that. So save current script. Yeah, I will do that later. Essentially, that is our script planner working. What we can probably do as well is, like, in the planner we can do something like associated page, and that'll give it that, and then I think description, and then we can just strong nose for now. Then strong nose. And that gives us this new planning. Nice. Okay, and I think that's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave it there for today. It's been over an hour. That's been great for everyone that joined in. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and find someone to raid. So let's just have a look on Twitch TV quickly. And we'll think we're going to raid Rocket Guns. So see you there.